This is Shannon. He's a dairy farmer in Bussleton, Western Australia. Shannon just lives outside of Bussleton, and every morning he gets up at 4 AM to go and milk the cows. I decided to follow Shannon around for a day to see what was involved in the life of a dairy farmer.
Usually they just go to a pivot where the grass is grown because there's no irrigation on any other part of the farm. She walks slower than her. I think she's got something wrong with her shoulder. So she just walks slower than all the rest. Come on. Come on, girls. Can't put their milk in the vat, so they go into a bucket. We're milking about, what is it, 380 I think it is. 400? Yeah, about 400. Each day, do it twice a day.
Sufficient enough as a herringbone dairy, yeah, but not as a rotisserie dairy. As a rotisserie dairy, you just keep going. We don't stand still on a rotisserie, whereas this we've got to wait till every cow's finished. On a rotisserie one, it just keeps going. Cows just keep walking on, and you just stand there and keep going until the whole lot is milked.
After milking, it's time to feed some of the younger calves. Some of them need to be shown how to suck on the teat. Then it's time for the bigger cows to be fed.
Yeah, I had to go pick up a dead cow that had died from milk fever or something like that. She wasn't dead, and I'm like, it's not dead, and they're like, oh, just run over it with a tractor then. Run over it with, like, you know, and I'm like, Alright, so I ran over it on its head with the tractor. It didn't die, man. I heard a crunch, but it didn't die. And I'm like, wait, it didn't die, man. I'm like, what am I doing now, man? It's like, if that's not going to just stab it. So I had to get the fork of the prong on the tractor and stab it straight through his head to put out its misery. Because the boss wouldn't shoot it. Best thing, how laid back it is. How much I can, like, I've rolled up to work an hour, come home from the pub, and gone straight to work pretty much. Still drunk, and my boss is just like, oh well, you know, rolled up an hour late and doesn't care, man. As long as the cows get milked and we get it done, as long as I roll up, he doesn't mind.
What's the worst thing?
Worst? The smell of shit. Today's Saturday. Thursday, cow threw up. And that was pretty gross, man. Like, it's not like human throw up, man. It's just like really stinky, green. Looks like shit coming out the wrong end. Bad. Stringy.
It's disgusting.
Very rubbery. Like, I've seen a cow have her foot on it and she's full ripping up. Full big strings, man. I was just like, that is really gross, man.
In order for the cows to continue producing milk, they have to be separated from the calves.
Then she'd dry up and then we'd miss out on all the milk that she produces. That's just losing milk. Watch all the mothers go nuts over this car.
They want it?
Yeah, they want to adopt it. No, I haven't had any sexual things with milk. Not yet, anyway.